So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 12th till the 18th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for the Ho'oponopono masterclass and self love course, links are given below in the description box too. So let's start. Virgo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Ten of Wands. Okay, there's a sense of a lot of heavy and burdensome kind of energies around the situation. Somebody is feeling very heavy and burdensome in the situation, but at the same time this person is not feeling like giving up, although it's kind of giving up, but they don't feel like that right now. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Wands. We have the Knight of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. They're tired of this on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together kind of energy. They are being very upset. So this person is not even able to let you go. They are not able to stay with you, and this person is stressed out beyond words, losing their sleep over the situation, because even if there is okay, this is an ongoing pattern in the situation, on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together, this is stupid, this is good, this is not good, this is like this, and they're kind of stressed out beyond words because they feel like even if they're trying their best to let it go, it's not happening. And even if they're trying to make this happen between you and them, it's not happening. That's why they're stressed out beyond words. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Five of Pentacles. So from your side, you're feeling left out in the cold. You are feeling like this person doesn't give you a damn. It's like a feeling of loss that you're going through. For some of you, this is not the only thing that you're going through. Maybe you're going through some kind of financial losses as well. Something is kind of making you feel very sad here. Let me clarify the Five of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Two of Cups. You feel like you got the clarity about a situation, about a connection, that it's not love, it's an ego based game. And that's where you're kind of feeling defeated here, because you got the clarity, you got the truth that this situation is not anymore connected to your heart and soul. This is becoming a game of ego between you guys, and deep down there's certain amount of love too. And that's why you're feeling like even if you know the truth, even if you got the ultimate truth about the situation, you're not able to do anything about it. Okay, and somehow you feel like you are going to win the situation somehow, someday. This is what you're feeling, going through right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Virgo? Page of Swords. Their intention here is to watch you from a distance, kind of stalk you, get to know each and everything about you. What are you up to, who you are with, and where are you going, and all this, but from a distance. This person wants to keep a safe distance from you, but watch your every move and learn about you. Let me clarify the Page of Swords here. We have the King of Swords, the Lovers, and the Seven of Cups. This person wants to know the truth about you. Are you with somebody else? Are you involved somewhere else? Are you having multiple affairs? Are you keeping your options open? Are you still stuck on them? So this person wants the whole truth and the clarity about what you are up to in your love and relationship area apart from them. And they want to watch you from a distance and want to keep tabs on you and understand what are you up to, right? Okay. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Knight of Pentacles. You just want to be in a very stable kind of energy. You don't want to be like keep yourself stuck in the situation forever. You want to take it very slow. Let me see. Let me see. If you're going towards them or like against, not against them, away from them. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles as your intentions, honey. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Page of Wands. Wow. Wow. You want to hold on to this connection. You want to hold on to this connection, and you want to move forward with this kind of energy of, you want slow and steady movement in this situation. Even if it is very toxic, even if it is very obsessive kind of energy, you want to keep moving forward in this direction by maybe keeping this person as a friend only, or by keeping them as, as an option only. What are you saying, Virgo? Tell me honestly. So you're telling me that you don't want to keep yourself stuck in this energy forever, but you want to hold on to this particular person or situation, and you want to remain friend only maybe, and you want to see where things can go. Even if the situation is very, very toxic, even if other people are involved, you want to be a part of this game, you want to be a part of this person's life, you want to be a part of this whole connection that's very toxic, very obsessive, not good, unhealthy, and maybe other people are involved too. Still you want to stay connected somehow and give it the name of, we are just friends, we are not in a relationship or something, we are just friends. That's very unhealthy, Virgo. Even if you're not consciously wanting it, subconsciously it is happening, and you're acting upon it as like, yeah, we are just friends, we are just friends, nothing more than that. Maybe you're not consciously choosing to hold on to this toxic cycle, but subconsciously it's happening, and deep down you know it's not good. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 18th of May, Virgo. The Lovers, the Devil, not Seven of Cups, Knight of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Five of Swords, Four of Cups. How many cards do you want? Ten of Wands. It's a very, very complicated situation, but you're holding on to it. Hanged Man. This is not going anywhere. The situation is like not going anywhere. Things are going to be kind of stuck only like this. But your perception is changing, your point of view is changing, your energies are shifting. Let's clarify the Hanged Man. When you're going to be in the surrender mode and this energy of, okay, let's see what's happening, you are going to see a different angle of the situation. We have the Empress, the Three of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. You are going to be in this energy of finding another way to make things work out between you and somebody that you want to collaborate with, and putting in the effort and energy in that direction so that things can work out. Virgo, it's like you being very, very determined to make something work out with somebody, even if that somebody is not interested. That's why you are in this hangman kind of energy of you trying to find a solution about a situation from a different point of view, from a different angle, and trying to make something work out, because this is your energy only. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Three of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. And you are going to be in this energy of, no, I'm not letting this go. I'm going to find other ways to improve things, to make things work out in a beautiful way. But I'm not going to give up on this situation no matter what. Okay. I don't know how long you're going to like work on this energy, but the only good thing about this reading is that you are not losing the sense of that you are also a different person, different energy from them. Meanwhile, you are taking care of yourself as well. But you're not giving up on this particular person or situation, and you are very determined to make this work out. I think it's similar to somewhat like past weeks energies, where you are trying to figure out a way to make something work out, very determined. This time you're kind of telling me that, yeah, I'm in surrender mode. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to try different ways, but I'm going to make it work out. Okay. Best of luck. For you, the guidance is the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands. Do not, do not operate from these kind of energies where you're hurt. You're deeply, deeply hurt and wounded. Maybe you are determined to make things work out just to feed your ego, because this person or this energy is not interested or not participating the way you want them to be. And or it could be very much possible that you are in this energy of, I'm going to show them that I love them so much, and once they are going to be with me, I'm going to show them what they did with me so that I can be happy. Please be aware of these kind of energies. If you are making this a game of ego only, if you are trying to make things work out of your ego only, like hurt and pain is also ego, mind games is also ego. Wanting to be with somebody who doesn't want to be with us is also ego. Just try to focus on this energy of, do you really really love this person, and this is coming out of love and not out of pain or ego or hurt. If it is coming out of love, then you can try whatever you feel like is good for you in a positive manner in this situation. But if it is coming out of hurt or pain or ego, beware of this kind of energy, Virgo. It's going to backfire, and then you are going to be more hurt than what you are already. It's a warning. Yeah, keep that in mind. Repeat this video 2 3 times and let it sink in. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.